Hey everyone, welcome to Hargai, the channel where we look at the hype and ask, is it actually worth your hard-earned money? Today we are looking at the most hyped, most controversial car of the year, the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona. Dodge has killed the Hemi V8 and replaced it with a battery. The big question is, should you even care? And more importantly, should you start saving up? Let's break down what you actually get. The new Charger is launching as a two-door EV with a four-door and a gas version coming later. Let's focus on the EV. It is a massive car. It's heavy. We're talking 5,838 pounds heavy. That's because it's full of a 100.5 kilowatt-hour battery. This gives you two choices at launch. The RT. This is your entry-level model. It gives you 496 horsepower. This will likely be the volume seller. The Scat Pack. This is the performance king. It boasts 670 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 3.3 seconds. This is the one all the headlines are about. Now, let's talk about features, because this is where your money's going. Feature 1, the R-Wing. This is the new front-end design. It's a pass-through spoiler on the nose of the car. Pro, it looks incredibly cool and is functional for aerodynamics. Con, this looks expensive to fix. A minor front-end bump could be a major insurance claim. Feature 2, the hatchback. This is a huge win for practicality. The old Charger had a small trunk. This new one has a massive hatchback opening. You can fit so much stuff back there. This is a massive pro. This makes the Charger a legit daily driver, not just a weekend toy. Feature 3, the interior. It's finally been updated. The old one felt like a 2010 rental car. The new one has a standard 12.3-inch screen, a digital driver's display, and cool attitude adjustment lighting. This is a much nicer place to be. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons from a value and livability perspective. Pro, you're getting supercar-level acceleration in the Scat Pack for what will likely be much less than a supercar price. Con, the running costs. Let's talk about that weight. 5,838 pounds. Do you know what that does to tires? The Scat Pack comes with massive 325 width rear tires. You will be replacing those often. They will not be cheap. Pro, practicality. Between the all-wheel drive, standard on the EVs, and the new hatchback, this is an all-weather, all-purpose muscle car. That's a great value proposition. Con, the range and charging. Dodge hasn't given official EPA range numbers. A 100.5 kilowatt-hour battery is huge, but 670 horsepower and nearly 6,000 pounds of weight is going to drink that juice fast if you drive it how it's meant to be driven. It also uses a 400-volt system, not an 800-volt one, so charging speeds might not be as fast as a Porsche or a Hyundai. This is a big wait and see. Here's the real kicker. Dodge knows not everyone is ready for the EV life, so in 2025, they're also launching the Charger Sixpack. This version uses a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engine with 550 horsepower. This will almost certainly be lighter, cheaper, and easier to live with for people who do long drives. This might honestly be the real car to buy. The smart money might wait for the gas version. So, the 2025 Charger Daytona. It's a technological beast, a practical hatchback, and a heavyweight monster. The Scat Pack EV is the poster child, but the 550 horsepower gas Sixpack might be the one you actually want to buy. Which one is the better value? We won't know until we have the price tags, and when we do, Hargai will be the first to break it down for you. We help you decide if the hype is worth the price. That's our whole mission. Subscribe now so you don't miss that crucial verdict. See you then.